Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট MCQs যোনটো আহিব লগা এক্সামৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয়। আশা কৰিছো ভিডিঅ'টো চাই আপোনালোকৰ সহায় হ'ব আৰু মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই যদি ভাল লাগে মোৰ চেনেলটো লাইক, শেয়াৰ এণ্ড সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব। আজিৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে টুসু পূজা ইজ অবজাৰ্ভড বাই which community? ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব টি ট্ৰাইবছ। Next question to hoise, where was the first Satra established by Shankardev? Your correct answer to hobo Bordua. Question number 3 to hoise, which Satra is famous for mass making tradition? Your answer to hobo Samuguri. Sire number prashna to hoise, which Satra was established by Ahom King Jayadwa Singha? Here correct answer to hobo Auniati Hotra. Next question to hoise, where did Shankardev die? Your answer to hobo Modhupur Hotra. Question number 6 to hoise, famous reformer Pitambor Deva Goswami was an Odhikar at which Hotra? Your answer to hobo Gormur Hotra. Your pisar question to hoise, who formed Nataraj Theatre, the first mobile theatre of Assam? Your correct answer to hobo Ochut Lokkor. Your pisar question to hoise, what is considered forerunner of mobile theatre of Assam? Your correct answer to hobo Jatra Party. Question number 9 to hoise, who formed the Shil Kalika Opera Party? Your answer to hobo Broja Horma. Question number 10 to hoise, who was the first dance director of mobile theatre? Your correct answer to hobo Jotin Goswami. Next question to hoise, in which year the first mobile theatre was formed in Assam? Answer to hobo 1963. Question number 12 to hoise, which community celebrates Batho Puja? Your answer to hobo Boros. Next question to hoise, what is celebrated on first Wednesday of Fagun month? Your correct answer to hobo Aliyai Ligang. Aru ei festival to celebrate kora hoy by the missing community. Next question to hoise, Kohai Purua is an integral part of which festival? Your correct answer to hobo Holi. Your pisar question to hoise, when is Karam Puja celebrated? Your correct answer to hobo Bhado Ekadoshi. Next question to hoise, who composed Zikir and Jari Geets in Assamese language? Correct answer to hobo Azan Fakir Sahib. Question number 17 to hoise, which temple is constructed by Boroja Ambika? Your correct answer to hobo Hibodol. Question number 18 to hoise, which temple is built by Ghanoshyam Khonikar? Your answer to hobo Negariting Shibo Temple. Next question to hoise, where did Sati's tongue was said to have fallen, believed to have fallen? Your answer to hobo Tukreshwari. Question number 22 হৈছে Where is the tomb of Gishuddin Aulia situated? ইয়াৰ আনসাৰটো হ'ব হাজো। এইবাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে Which temple is constructed by Ahom King Rajeshwar Singha in 1752 AD? ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব নৱগ্ৰহ। Next question to hoise which site is called as Khajuraho of Assam? Here correct answer to hobo Madan Kamdev. Ebaro question to hoise which of the following is considered the second Kashi in Assam? Here correct answer to hobo Sri Surya Pahar. Next question to hoise in 656 AD which temple was built by Koch King Naranarayan? Here correct answer to hobo Kamakhya. Question number 25 to hoise in which year Jyoti Chitrabon was established? Your answer to hobo 1961. Next question to hoise Poki was the birthplace of which cultural icon? Your answer to hobo Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Question number 27 to hoise who was the first president of Assam Natya Sonmilon? Your correct answer to hobo Kolaguru Bishnurabha. Your bisor prashno to hoise where is the Cultural University of Assam located? Your answer to hobo Majuli. Question number 29 to hoise when was Ban Theatre established? Your correct answer to hobo 1906 Tezpur. Ebar question to hoise where did Dr. Bhupen Hazarika born in 1926? Your answer to hobo Hodia. Question number 31 to hoise which is the first film directed by Bhupen Hazarika? Your answer to hobo Erabator Sur. Ebaro question to hoise in which year Dr. Bhupen Hazarika got Assam Ratna Award? Your answer to hobo 2009. Question number 33 to hoise Dr. Bhupen Hazarika started the career of playback singer by which film? Your answer to hobo Indra Maluti. Next question to hoise which year Dr. Bhupen Hazarika got Bharat Ratna? Your correct answer to hobo 2019. Ebar question to hoise Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was a member of Assam Legislative Assembly. Which constituency did Dr. Hazarika represent? Your correct answer to hobo Now Boisa. Question number 36 to hoise in which year Dr. Hazarika got Sangeet Natak Academy Award? Your correct answer to hobo 1987. Question number 38 to hoise Arnai is a traditional attire of which community? Your correct answer to hobo Boro. Next question to hoise Assamese horai is made of which metal? ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব ব্ৰাছ মেটেল আজিৰ শেষৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে হু ৱাজ দ্য ফাউণ্ডাৰ অফ ভোৰতাল নৃত্য ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব নৰহৰি বুঢ়া ভকত আজিলৈ ইমানে থ্যাংক ইউ ফৰ watching my video good luck for your exams and have a nice day